Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Windows XP in VirtualBox. So first download VirtualBox, then 7-zip and this Windows XP mod ENUS. Then after you have downloaded, open it with 7-zip, then create a new folder and extract these files to here. Okay, now after you have done that, open that expm file with 7-zip and again extract these files to new folder. Okay, now close these files and open VirtualBox. Okay, now click new and name it Windows XP, then click next and RAM choose about 2048 and click next and use existing virtual hard drive and click this file, then choose the file you extracted. Oh sorry, rename this virtual XP VSD file add.vsd and now click open and create. Okay, that's much. Now start. Choose I accept this agreement and click next and next and computer name anything. Okay, now setup is starting. Now restart the machine. Okay, now start it again. Okay, now your computer has installed Windows XP. Yes, this is it. As you have successfully installed Windows XP to your Windows other version Windows computer. So that's much. Don't forget to check out my other video to know how to get full screen. You can see this is not full screen, only about some part of my screen is only shown. So don't forget to check out my other video. Thanks.